Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Mailchimp account detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Mailchimp account, start by visiting the Mailchimp website. Click on the sign up free button located on the home page. Enter your email address in the sign up field. Create a username that meets Mailchimp's requirements. Choose a strong password that you can easily remember. After filling in the required information, click on the Get Started button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Mailchimp. Open the email and look for the Activate Account button. Click on the Activate Account button to proceed. You will be redirected to the Mailchimp website to set up your account. Fill out the necessary details, including your name and business information. Select your preferences for email marketing and notifications. Once all information is completed, click on the Continue button. You may need to verify your account by providing additional information. Follow the prompts to verify your account if required. After verification, you will be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. You are now ready to start using your Mailchimp account for email marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.